1930s walking to school.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Lewis Tour videos. Right now we are on, I don't know what you call this trail, but something Spruce Trail. It's not the Spruce Knob Trail, if that's what you're thinking. But anyway, I was just gonna kind of show you our little walk down this trail. There's a really good overlook back there, but we kind of saw rain off in the distance. So we were like, okay, let's keep going. But I got some good pictures of it, so I'll always have those. So. You know, and one thing that I've learned over the years is not everything has to be in video form. Like the important stuff I like to have in video form, and most of the really good views, which I guess that was a really good view, I like to have in video form. But you know, if you don't, as long as you have pictures, it's not a big deal. But anyway, I'll just silently, at least on my part, show you the rest of this trail. Or not the rest, but at least part of it. Where's this trail go? Oh, it's like almost like an overlook except for walking people.
Yep.
No. Well, does this look like a parking lot?
You want to stop and take a picture? Nope.
Does this look like a parking lot? Let's park our car on the mountainside.
I like how they made a bench out of rocks there.
Ooh. Did somebody make that, or was it?
They probably set the rocks up like that.
Like they do at Avatar?
Sure.
Didn't you see they have like Avatar stuff?
Oh yeah.
That were benches, yeah.
Actually, no, I'm not sure it is gonna rain.
Shut up! Phone? Workout paused.
See, we have this thing that his phone keeps going. Workout pause. Workout resume. It's like as soon as he stops and starts so much that it's like when he stops it says workout resumed, and when he starts it says workout paused.
And then it says workout resumed again. And then workout paused. Remember the Yippee Dog thing?
Yep.
During the Yippee Dog video it said, workout paused.
Workout resumed. Workout paused. Workout resumed.
Oh, I like to know how far we go.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's nice. It's like, workout paused. Workout resumed. What happened?
I was just like going like that.
That's the thing. Some of these trails you have to look out for rocks because it's like.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah, this one is really nice actually. Yeah, it's like, well, some of these it's like you want to talk about, you know, Disney, Universal, you know, whatever theme parks, you know, or around us the big theme park is Cedar Point. Where's that go?
This goes to a picnic shelter, I think.
Oh, anyway, but
down if you want.
yeah.
All right, we got curiosity. Got us going this way.
Anyway, but they can have all of those roller coasters they want, but it'll never live up to the pure experience of nature.
Picnic table.
I think it probably goes back to the other trail. No one something guessed on another something guessed on.
Yeah, here's the parking lot.
Here's the parking lot. Here's the parking lot. Got spider web in my face.
Yep. I don't think this is part we parked in, but
Yeah, we're parked up there. Aw, the roof. Oh, that's rough dog is gone.
Ow.
Reagan, you seem to trip a lot.
Yeah.
So do I.
Oh, the rough guy is gone.
Yeah. Why do you trip so much and it never results in anything, and I trip so much?
It's because of all the dance training.
Yeah,
I know.
because when boots fall, we have to get right back on track. Except I have a bad habit of when I forget my dances, then I get a look on my face that looks like this.
See, where's the other car from? Maryland. Nice.
That's where we're headed.
Only 2 other cars here?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the next, our next stop is Backbone Mountain, the highest point in Maryland.
Yes.
Anyway, so
Whenever you'd like.
I'm going to go to the bathroom. So anyway, we'll be back soon on Lewis Tour videos with probably another good view headed down the mountain.
You're not going?
Or if not that, it'll be... Actually, I'll be honest, it's probably going to be another good view. So anyway, we'll be back soon, no matter what, on Lewis Tour videos.